Lesson 44. Bring, brought, brought. Part A. Bring and take. Take means like go, when you move from here to there. From here to there. But bring means like come, from there to here. So, look at these examples. Are you going to school? Take your books from here, from your place, to the school. Are you going to the kitchen? Can you bring me a glass? From the kitchen to here. Please take this form to the secretary. The secretary is there. Come to my house tomorrow and bring your guitar. For me, my house is here. Part B. Bring somebody something. I've brought you some apples from my garden. Oh, thank you. When she visits me, she always brings me flowers. C. Bring something back. It's raining. You can take my umbrella and bring it back tomorrow. This book is interesting. Please take it with you and read it. Thanks. I'll bring it back on Friday. Okay, no problem. Exercises. 44.1. Fill the gaps with bring or take. Number 1. Are you going to the shops? Take an umbrella. It's raining. Number 2. Don't forget to your books tomorrow, the teacher said to the class. Don't forget to bring. Number 3. Are you going to the kitchen? Can you me some water? Can you bring me some water? Number 4. Your camera with you when you go to Thailand. It's beautiful there. So I want you to take your camera with you. Take. Number 5. Are you going to the office? Can you these papers, please? Can you take these papers? Number 6. I'll you a present from New York. I'll bring you a present from New York. 44.2. Match the words on the left with the words on the right. Number 1. Yesterday he brought me some flowers. Number 2. You must take your passport when you travel. Number 3. Come to my house and bring your guitar. Number 4. Go to the post office and take these letters, please. Number 5. Everybody is going to bring food to the party. 44.3. Fill the gaps with the correct form of bring or take. Number 1. She always brings me presents. Yesterday, she brought me some chocolates. Number 2. Hello, I've you some flowers. I hope you like them. Brought. Number 3. Can you this present when you go and see Sonia? Can you take this present? Number 4. She's going to my book, read it tonight and eat back tomorrow. She's going to take my book. and bring it back tomorrow. 44.4. Fill the gaps with bring back or take. Can I take this magazine to read tonight? I'll bring it back tomorrow. Number 2. When she went to Belgium, she brought me back some chocolates. Number 3. Please take my umbrella. You can bring it back tomorrow. "44.5. Where are you now? If you are at an English lesson now, answer A. Name 3 things you always bring to the lesson. If you are not at an English lesson, answer B. Name 3 things you always take to the lesson. For example, you can say, I normally bring my notebook, my course book and a pen to the lesson. It's up to you. This is it for today. Thank you for being with me, and I will see you next time. Bye.